Thousands of years ago, before pharmacies and pills, people reached for something buried beneath the earth, a pungent, fiery bulb called garlic. In the temples of ancient Egypt, slaves who built the pyramids were fed garlic daily, not for flavor, but for strength and stamina. Greek Olympians and Roman soldiers consumed it before battle, believing it sharpened their reflexes and hardened their courage. Even in medieval Europe, garlic hung from doorways to ward off evil and disease. But behind its myths and smell lies a biological marvel, a natural pharmacy wrapped in paper-thin skin. Garlic grows underground, forming a bulb of multiple cloves, each packed with unique compounds found nowhere else in nature. It thrives in well-drained soil and moderate climates, planted in autumn and harvested in summer when its green shoots begin to yellow. Despite its humble appearance, garlic is a member of the allium family, alongside onions, leeks, and chives, known for their potent sulfur chemistry. What makes garlic truly extraordinary is a molecule called allicin, which doesn't exist in the garlic you buy. Allicin is created only when garlic is crushed or chopped, a chemical reaction between two compounds, allicin and the enzyme alliinase. Within seconds of slicing, allicin is born, a volatile, highly reactive compound responsible for garlic's sharp smell and powerful health effects. Allicin is antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, and antiviral. A full-spectrum defender created in your kitchen, not a lab. It kills microbes on contact and has been shown to combat bacteria like E. coli, Staphylococcus, and even certain antibiotic-resistant strains. Traditional medicine from China to India has used garlic for centuries to treat everything from infections to digestive issues. Garlic also has a profound effect on the cardiovascular system. Studies show it can reduce blood pressure, lower LDL cholesterol, and increase nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. One meta-analysis found that garlic supplements were just as effective as certain medications in reducing high blood pressure, without side effects. It also reduces the stickiness of platelets in the blood, lowering the risk of clot formation and stroke. And unlike many pharmaceuticals, garlic doesn't deplete your body, it fortifies it. But garlic's influence extends beyond the heart. It's a liver protector, cancer fighter, and immune booster. Its sulfur compounds help the liver detoxify harmful substances by activating enzymes involved in phase 2 detoxification. Some research has linked garlic to a reduced risk of stomach, colon, and prostate cancers, possibly due to its antioxidant and DNA protective properties. It supports immune function by stimulating white blood cells, especially macrophages and natural killer cells, your body's internal army. During cold and flu season, garlic acts like a shield, and when infection hits, it may help shorten the duration and reduce symptoms. It even helps combat fungal infections like athlete's foot or candida, both internally and externally. Garlic is also rich in manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and trace amounts of calcium and phosphorus, all essential for cellular repair. While it's rarely consumed in large enough amounts to be a multivitamin, garlic's compounds work synergistically to support long-term health. But preparation matters. Cooking garlic too soon after cutting destroys allicin before it has time to form. To preserve its potency, crush or chop garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to develop fully. Avoid microwaving or frying garlic at very high temperatures, as heat quickly deactivates its beneficial compounds. Instead, add it at the end of cooking or enjoy it raw, mixed into sauces, dressings, or even honey for medicinal use. However, garlic isn't for everyone. In high doses, it can irritate the stomach lining and cause digestive discomfort, especially for people with ulcers or acid reflux. Some people may experience allergic reactions, though rare, often with symptoms like skin rash or breathing difficulty. Its blood-thinning properties, while helpful in many cases, may interfere with anticoagulant medications or surgery, so caution is advised. And yes, garlic breath is real, caused by sulfur gases that linger in the lungs and skin long after eating. Chewing parsley, apples, or green tea can help, but the odor is simply the price of power. In the end, garlic is a food of paradox. Pungent but healing, simple but complex, ancient yet proven by modern science. It's a warrior in the kitchen, a guardian in the bloodstream, and a reminder that nature still holds answers more powerful than we imagine.